Welcome everybody to Sawyer in the Middle. Kelly, Tucker, and Sawyer here. Whole family's here. We're at Dollywood Splash Mountain. Never been here today. Oh, I already said it. Not Splash Mountain, Splash Country. And you can tell we're Disney people. We're going to show you guys around. Hope you enjoy it.
It's really cold. It's really cold.
We're really close to Tucker.
We're really, really close. I'll back up.
Water's feeling good. Hot day. Relaxing. Butterfly slide. Woo! That was a fast little ride, no doubt. How'd you like it? You're moving down that little slide. How'd you like it?
That was pretty fun. Except like at the very end, something like hurt, like scratching.
Yeah, something hit my back. It scratched my back. All right, guys. So far, Splash Country has been an absolute hit with our family. We have teenagers. We have a 1-year-old, a 2-year-old. It's kind of been great for everybody. The big kids love the big tubes, the slides, stuff like that. The little ones love the lazy river and the kiddie pool area and the wave pool. So far so good here. We really enjoy it.
All right, everybody. So we are right now climbing some stairs to get onto a water slide called Wild River Falls. I am not a fan of water slides, but they're letting Cammy go on, and she's only 2 years old, so I'm assuming it's not very bad at all. So we'll see how this goes. All right, it's a little bit of an update. We have a little bit of a line here to get in. Here we go. We are about to go down. They do not push you down. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa! Oh! Whoa! Oh, there's a little jump. Oh, big turn. FYI, orange is a lot crazier. Oh. Oh. Orange is a lot harder than white, I'll tell you that. Oh. Oh.
Over here at the Riverside Trading Post, they have glasses, hats, swimwear, sunblock, everything you need for a day in the water. All right, we're gonna head up here to Mountain Waves Wave Pool. All right, here's the wave pool. Pretty good sized wave pool. Problem is I don't see any waves. I guess they're coming here in a second.
everybody. Things are starting to wrap up now. But right now, we're going through the park. We had a really fun day. Hopefully we're gonna ride a little bit more stuff before the day is out. So I'm just gonna show you all around what we did and what we're planning to do over here and give you my thoughts. Right here, they don't even know I'm filming us. That is our family. I think they just realized. So they are on the lazy river. We crossed the bridge. There is the green slides. We did those earlier. They're actually pretty fun. It's really small and short, but it's a fun little ride. Alright guys, so we just got somebody who wanted to say hi. Hi guys! They just wanted to stop on. That was funny. She just stopped me and she was like, can I say hey to y'all's vlogs? I was like, okay, sure. Believe it or not, that's actually the first time that's happened, which is kind of funny. Alright, so this is Wild River Falls. It's a very family-friendly water slide. It's still really fun. You hop in a tube this size. So you go in here, sit down, and then go down. It starts way up there. It's really fun, and we rode it twice, and what we figured out is what really actually matters is who pushes you down. So if you have, we had the first time like a really fit teenage guy spin us down. It was a really fun and fast ride. And then we had a woman who was not in great shape push us down, and she just wasn't strong enough to really get us that good, and it wasn't as great as a ride. It was still fun though, so I highly recommend it. Over here is the Swift Water Run. I have not rode this one yet, and hopefully I will today. And if I do, I will show y'all my thoughts on it and maybe even go down with it. Okay, over here we have kind of the kids park. Definitely the least chill. There's like no shade. Kids screaming in your ear constantly. Do not recommend. So this is a fairly new camera, and we've always just shot with an iPhone, but the quality was getting bad, and we've been wanting to maybe improve the channel. So we purchased a vlogging camera, and I never really get to walk around with it, and everybody's staring at me. And it's kind of a weird feeling. But yeah. This one is called the River Rush. They have really interesting water slides, and I saw somebody come through for the first time, and I mean, they were flying through. So maybe we'll zoom in just a little bit and hopefully catch somebody coming out here in this next couple seconds. Oh. They weren't going nearly as fast as the last one, I feel like. That's interesting. So yeah, here's the entrance. This camera is not waterproof, so I can't go on it right now. But hopefully before the end of the day, I will get to ride it. And oh my. You have to be real brave to do that. Let's see if I can get my camera to zoom in. Whew. You gotta be real brave to do that. Ain't nobody hopping on there. I wish I could get a shot of somebody going down, but looks like nobody's brave enough. I mean, this thing is just a straight free fall. Yeah, you gotta be real brave to do that. Alright, so a new friend of mine back there, I just saw him coming by. His friends are currently climbing up there. They're going to do it, so I'm gonna get a quick shot of that. Wish them luck, guys. Wish them luck. Here we go. They are up there. Oh my. Camera's getting real shaky. Oh no. Wish them the best of luck. I'm just going to keep the camera rolling because I am scared I'm going to miss it. Yeah, you can tell they don't get a lot of customers right here, but when they do, it's something. I don't want too long of a clip, but I am not going to risk missing it. I did ask the guy, he said it was okay to film, so. He's up there. He is up there. Maybe I'll zoom in just a little bit. Oh, down he goes. Whew. Yeah, I mean, he went from way up there to down here in just a second, man. There are certain noises that drive me to a new level of insanity. And wet Crocs, like slapping against the floor, makes me want to scream. And there's so many people with them, so I let them walk ahead. If I got some coming, I'm gonna just run away so I don't lose my mind. Alright everybody, that does it for Dollywood Splash Country, or County, one or the other. We appreciate you watching till the end of the video. Thank you. We really appreciate it. We'd also appreciate it if you like, subscribe, share, comment, whatever you gotta do. It'd be great, and we'll see you in the next